So hello students, how are you? I hope you all are very fine. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay, so today I will start your chapter 6, which is HCF and LCM. Okay, I hope you have read the chapter multipliers and factors very well, because this chapter is related to that multipliers and factor. Okay, it is required. Okay, so before starting this, at first you have to know the full form of this. Okay, in this class I will discuss only about HCF, not LCM. Okay, in the next class I will discuss LCM. So at first HCF, what is the full form of HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, that means you need factor. So that's why I have said that previous chapter factors and multipliers are needed here. Okay, so HCF means highest common factor. Highest means largest or greatest. Okay, or maximum. Okay, and common means suppose जो सब में है वही कॉमन होता है. जैसे you have two hands, similarly your friend has two hands, two legs, also you have two hands and two legs, so that means it is common feature. It is a common feature. Okay, similarly that's like common means which belongs to all. Okay, so here what is common? Factor is common. Which factor? Highest. So here you have to find the highest common factor. That means the factor which is common between all the numbers or among all the numbers, and that is also highest or maximum. Okay, for example, suppose 20. What is the factor of 2? What are the factors of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, again sorry, no 20. I am taking another example. 12 equals to 2 into 3, and 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so now tell me what are the factors of 12 and what are the factors of 18. Factors of 12 are 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, similarly factors of and one thing you remember, the 1 and that particular number must be the factor of that number. Suppose if the number is 12, so the 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Similarly 1 and 18 are the factors of 12. That means that number and 1 are the factors of that number. But here you can consider it, but if you want you can consider it. Okay, you can consider these factors. Okay, but here for simplification or for simple calculation I will not consider it. If you want you can, no problem. Okay, so remember 1 and that number must be the factors of that number. Okay, so the 2, 3, 4, 6 are the factors of that number. That are the factors. Similarly for 18, factors are 2, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so these are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 18. Now you say what are the common factors between them. That means which factor are common. What are the factor? Factor means divisor. That means with that number we can divide the number. That is called factor. Here 2 is factor. That means we can divide 18 with the help of 2. That means 2 is the divisor. Now factor is a divisor the factor is the divisor by which we can divide the number. That is called the factor of that number. Okay. So here 2 is the factor of. So understand what is factor? Factor is actually the divisor. Okay. So common factor means common divisor. That means which number or that number can divide both the numbers. That is common number. जो common means जो सबको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं उसी को कॉमन कहते हैं. कॉमन मीन्स दैट फैक्टर which can divide both the numbers, that is called common factor. So here are the common factors. What are the common factors? We can divide 12 or 18 with the help of 2. 12 and 18 both are divided by 2. Both are divided by 3. Both are divided by 6. So these are the common factors. These are the common factors. Clear? Common means that numbers which can divide both the numbers, that are called common factors. Okay, but here we have to find highest. And one thing remember, common factor means that numbers which can divide both the numbers without any remainder. Without any remainder. That means here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That means the number is fully divisible. This number is fully divisible with these numbers. That means without any remainder. That means remainder is equals to 0. Clear? Suppose you can divide 12 with 2. 2 6 are 12. 3 4 are 12. 6 12 12. Similarly 2 9 18. 3 8 6 are 18. 6 3 are 18. Okay. That means with the help of this number we can divide both these numbers without any remainder. Clear? Okay. Okay. Here these are the common factors, but here you have to find the highest common factor. Highest means largest. So between these numbers, which one is the largest number? Which one is the largest number? Here largest number is 6. 6 is greater than 3 and 6 is greater than 2. That means here the highest common factor is 6. This is the answer. This is the highest common factor or HCF of 12 and 18. 12 and 18. See, this is the of HCF of 12 and 18. So understand what is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Factor means the number which can divide or that divisor which can divide the numbers. Common means which number? Common means the divisor which can divide both numbers. That means it may be here 3 numbers. There can also have 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers. So common means this number can common factor means the factors which can divide all the numbers. Okay, that means that can divide also 12, say 18. If there is 12, 24, then 24. Okay. And highest. Now next highest. Highest means largest or maximum number. Here 6 is the maximum between 2, 3 and 6. Listen, 2, 3, 6 all are common factors, but here you have to find the highest common factor. So that's why here 6 is the highest number. So we say 6 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. But here you see 4 is the factor of 12. 9 is the factor of 18. But these are not the common factor. 9 is the factor of 12. 4 is the factor of 9 is the factor of 18. 4 is the factor of 12. But 18 is not divisible by 4 and 12 is not divisible by 9. That's why these are not the common factors. Here we have written only the common factors. Common means which can divide both the numbers. Which can divide both the numbers. And here as you have to find highest common factor. So between 2, 3 and 6, 6 is the highest. So this is our required result or HCF of 12 and 18. Clear? Clear? So at first you understand what is factor, what is common and highest. I have already in the previous chapter you have already read about factor. Common means which can divide all the numbers. Highest means largest or maximum or greatest. Clear? Okay. So thank you. You have understand what is HCF. Okay. So we can go to the exercise. Okay. Okay. So here there are many processes to calculate the exercise. At first, you have to remember the multiplication table. You have to remember the multiplication table. Otherwise, you can't solve the HCF, or you cannot calculate the HCF in this method. You have to remember the multiplication table very well. And one thing, I will learn you many simple tricks, but in the next class. Okay, because in this class I will discuss only calculation of HCF with the help of multiplication table and by finding factors. These are also the process, but when we learn you with the help of prime factorization, that process will be very easy. Okay, but here you have to calculate as with the help of multiplication table and finding factors. So that's why you have to do it, and it's not tough also, but with the help of prime factorization it is also easy, easiest. But here we have to learn about how can we calculate HCF with the help of multiplication table. With the help of multiplication table. With the help of multiplication table. Wait. पिंक खत्म हो गया. Okay, so with the help of multiplication table, I hope you have remembered the multiplication table. So exercise 6A 1B, calculate the HCF of 12 and 8 with the help of multiplication table. Okay, so now you see 12 and 8, these are number. This number we have to find this number in one multiplication table. Suppose 2 into 3 multiplication table of 2. 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 4 2 3 is 6. Similarly for multiplication table for 3 3 1 3 3 2 is 6 3 3 is 9. Now you see, sorry, 2 into 4 is equals to 8. 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Now one thing you see, suppose you have called to find the HCF of 4 and 10. So you have to find, you can see 4 and 10 belongs to which multiplication table? 2. Multiplication table of 2. That means we have to find the numbers. Which belong to same multiplication table. Okay. Similarly, suppose you have called to find the multiplication table of 2 and 8. Similarly, multiplication table of 4. 4 1 are 4. Sorry, 2 and 8, not 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 1 are 4. 4 2 is 8. Now you see, 4 and 8 belongs to multiplication table of 2, and 4 and 8 also belongs to multiplication of 4. That means 4 and 8 are the factors of 2 and 4. Clear? What are the factors? These are the multiplication. So these are the factors. So that means we have to find the numbers from which multiplication table they belong to. That means, and one thing you remember, both the numbers belong to that multiplication table. That means 4 and 8 belongs to multiplication table of 2. Similarly, 4 and 8 belongs to multiplication of 8. ठीक है, ऐसा ना हो कि 4 this belongs to multiplication of table 2, but 8 belongs to multiplication of table 4. So we cannot do the sum. So we have to find from which multiplication table they belongs to, and it they must be belongs to sorry, both the table belongs to that table. Okay, so we have to find 12 and 8 belongs to which multiplication table. We can see 12 belongs to multiplication table of 2 and multiplication table of 4. 12 belongs to multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 6. Similarly, 8 belongs to multiplication table of 2, 4. Okay, also 8, but we will not write. At first we have said that number and 1 is are the factors of that number, but we will not consider here. Okay, so 12 belongs to multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 6. 8 belongs to 2, 4. So what did I say? We have to find the table from which both the number belongs to. So here you see 12 and 8 belongs to multiplication table of 2 and 4. Understand? 12 belongs to multiplication table 3, but 8 does not belong. So that's why we will not consider 3, multiplication table of 3. Okay, and 12 also belongs to multiplication table of 6, but we will not consider this table because 8 does not belong to this table. So here we have to find both the numbers belong to same multiplication table. Okay, and this number are the factors. These are the factors actually. When you write 2 into 6 is equals to 12. These are the factors, and this is the multiplication table of 2. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. So multiplication table number are the factors. Understand? Multiplication table number are the factors. Multiplication table of 2 means 2 is the factor of 12. Multiplication table of 3 means 3 is the factor of 12. 6 means 6 is the factor of 12. Understand? So here we can write. We find both 12 and 8 in the multiplication table of 2 and 4. So between 2 and 4, 4 is greater. Between 2 and 4, 4 is greater. So HCF is 4. Understand? Here we have to find the multiplication table number, and the maximum number or the highest number or the greatest number must be the HCF of that number. Clear? Understand? Another example. Suppose 2D 24 and 36. Now you see 24 and 36. 24 belongs to which multiplication table? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Okay, and 36 belongs to 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18. Okay, the 36 belongs to this multiplication table, and for 24 belongs to this multiplication table. Okay, now here we can write, we find both. I am telling again and again, you have to find the number must belongs to both the number belongs to same multiplication table. So we find both 24 and 36 in the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4 and 6. 2, 3, 4 and 6, and also sorry, we are also about 12 and 18. 2 and 12. These are the common. 24 belongs to multiplication table 3, similarly 36. But here you see 36 belongs to multiplication table of 9. But 24 does not belong from this table. That's why we don't write 9 here. Okay, because we have to find both the number belongs to that multiplication table. Okay, so we say we find both 24 and 36 from in the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So obviously these are the common factors of 2, 24 and 36. So here what is the largest? 12 is the largest number among these. 12 is the largest. So that's why we can say HCF is equals to 12. HCF is equals to 12. So again I am repeat, you have to find these numbers belongs to, both the number belongs to same multiplication table. That must be the common factor. That must be the common factor. Okay. ऐसा ना हो कि 36 belongs to multiplication table of 9. Here you write 9, but this is totally wrong because 12 does not, 14 does not belong to belong to multiplication table 9. Okay. Similarly, you see 24 belongs to multiplication table 8, but 36 does not belong from this table. That's why we cannot write here. Here we write only the common table number, and this must be the factors, and this must be the common factors, and here which is the largest number must be the HCF. Okay. Okay. So with the help of multiplication table done. Now by finding factors, by finding factors, by finding factors. Example 4, 72 and 90. So we can find the factors 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 2, 3, 1, 2, 45, 5, 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Now find the factors. Now we can group this number as this. 2 into 36 is equals to 72. Similarly, 4 into 18 is equals to 72. Or 8 into 9 is equals to 72. 6 into 12 is equals to 72. 24 into 3 is equals to 72. Okay. So these are the factors. And similarly, we can also find here 2 into 45 is equals to 90. So here we write 2 into 45 is equals to 90. This is the 45. And 6 into 15, 6 into 15 is equals to 90. 9 into 10 equals to 90. 3 into 30 is equals to 90. And 6, 15, 18 into 5. 18 into 5 is equals to 90. Okay. How can you find this? 2 into 3, 3, 9, 5, 45. Okay. 2, 3 is 6. 6 into 3, 5, 15. 6 into 15 is equals to 19. 2, 3 is 6, 3 is 18. 18 into 5. So 18 into 5. Similarly, 3. 3 into 5, 3 is 15 into 2, 30. That means 3 into 30. 3 into 30. Again, 3, 3 is 9. 9 into 5 into 2, 10. 9 into 10 is also 90. In this passage, you can find the factors. Now, what are the factors? These are the factors. 2, 45, 6, 15, 9, 10, 3, 30, 18, 5. And similarly for this. So these are the factors. These are the factors of 72 and these are the factors of 90. Okay. And this side. Now, what are the common factors? Here you have to find the common factors. 2 is the common. So common factors. I am writing this is the common. What are the common factors? 2, 3, 4 is not common. Again 6 is the common. 2, 3, 6. Again 9. 2, 3, 6, 9. 18. So these are the common factors. 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the process by finding factors. Here we find the factors. What are the factors? The factors of 72 is 2, 3, 4. I am writing this in ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24. Okay. And similarly for 90, what are the factors? 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Here also 36. 10, 15, 18, 30, 45. So these are the factors of 90 and these are the factors of 72. So what are the common? 2 common. 3 common. 5 not here, 4 not common. 6 common. 9 common. 12 no. 18 common. So these are the common factors. 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So here what is the highest number? Here highest number is 18. This is the answer, HCF. This is the HCF of 72 and 90. This is our required result. So understand how can we find the HCF by finding factors. Okay. So students, read carefully and do the rest of the sums up to number 4. And I will in the next class I will discuss how can we find the HCF by prime factorization. That must be the easiest process. Okay. So students, thank you.